Keep watching to see my new card case from Coach. Welcome to my channel. I'm Juanita Michelle, and I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. On this channel, I do unboxings and shop with me videos. I have decor videos and other lifestyle videos. So I just got this SLG in the mail. I ordered this from Coach Outlet and it came pretty quickly. And I had free shipping on this particular item. I got this for under $30. That's a real bargain. Both Coach Retail and the Coach Outlet, they have been having some really good holiday sales. You see, I got my red and gold decor right there on the table. I decorated the house mostly in gold and red this Christmas. So here's the item number and the description. You can already tell before it comes out of the plastic that the color is chalk. I really like that color chalk. I think it's sleek and stylish. And here it is. This is the Coach card case with Linear Quilting. The retail price is $98. And I think I got it for $25, but right now on the site it's like $29. That's still a good buy. This is such a classy card case. It is the opposite of plain, and I love that gold hardware, that gold logo. It makes the card case to pop. The product details for this Coach card case are: it's made of Nappa Leather and smooth leather detail. It's got 4 credit card slots, and the measurements are 4 inches by 2 3/4 inches. And the style number is 2980. And this also comes in the color black with the same gold logo. This Nappa leather is so soft, it feels luxurious. The middle pocket has leather lining. It's a smooth leather with a saddle color. And this piece was made in, I think, Vietnam, yeah. Wish it was Paris, would have been nice, but for that price, Vietnam, it's good enough. See how flexible it is and how easily it bends? That's going to change once I put the credit cards in, but you'll see. Keep watching. So here I'm comparing the two card cases. The black one is made in calf leather. So I have to say that the Nappa leather to me feels much softer than the calf leather. So I don't know whether or not I'm going to have to baby it a little bit more. But the calf leather is not as smooth as the Nappa. But you can see that they're both about the same in size and the puffiness. But I think the Nappa leather is a bit more puffier than the black one, than the calf leather. If you'd like to see a full review on the black card case, check out my other video. So I'm using some of my other Coach SLGs to give you an idea of the size of this. Here I'm comparing it to my taupe Coach ID case. And you can just tell from these 3 alone that I like neutral colors because they go with everything. So now I'm pulling out the Coach wristlet. This is the corner zip wristlet. My Coach patent leather corner zip wristlet. And it fits nicely in there. The first time they had these card cases on the Coach outlet, they sold out very quickly. And they weren't on there for a while, and then they brought them back for the holidays. So I would definitely, if you're interested in this, you should definitely get it before it sells out again. And again, it comes in this color chalk, and it also comes in black. So here I've got the credit cards in. I've got 2 credit cards in the front and 2 in the back. And you can pull them out easily. They don't feel stuck or anything. They just come right out smoothly. The only problem that I had is when I had all 4 credit cards in there, it was really hard to get to the middle slot. I couldn't even put like a bill in there. I mean, I could, but it's really hard to get it in there. So I took out all the credit cards and I tried to put all 4 of them in the middle slot. They wouldn't fit, but 3 of them did fit in the middle slot, and it was easier to get them in and out that way. Maybe because it's new, this card case needs a little time to loosen up, and then maybe I can get more than just 1 credit card in each slot, but I'll just have to wait and see. For right now, this is the way I'm going to be using it. 2 credit cards in the back, and then I'll probably just put some cash in the middle slot. That'll be easier. Or just maybe 1 credit card in the front and 1 in the back. Now I can get to the middle slot so much easier, and it opens up much wider and without me having to tug at it. I've got my grocery store rewards card. I'll probably just keep that in there, 1 credit card, maybe 1 or 2 credit cards and some cash. Now I wanted to give y'all a very up close and detailed look at the card case. Here is the glazing. The glazing is a brown, dark brown color. It goes all the way around. This card case is very well made. It kind of has a luxury look to it, but not a luxury price. And the lining is coppery, bronzy color. It's microfiber. I think it's microfiber or nylon. That interior is such a pretty color. And again, the middle section has a smooth leather lining. And I think that's a saddle color. I would definitely recommend this card case. It is so smooth and it looks more expensive than it really is. This is it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And enjoy your holidays.